Oh yeah, someone sent me that little clip.
You gotta be serious with Myra's feet.
Right. The sparks were all jumping all around.
Thank you.
Like a toenail file. And that's the other side of the file. You know what I mean?
I don't like normally when I had a pedicure, they try to bring out that cheese grater. I said, no, honey. So, I mean, that caused you to have more on the next time you come. But just use the stone.
That's a sugar scrub.
He didn't have too much built up.
He doesn't have a lot of calluses. He's got one right here where that bone pops out on the side of his foot, but that's... Okay, you can put that foot back in the water. This, nothing. Nope, those are just broken blood vessels.
That's what that is?
I'm
just trying to scrub them up.
That's, yeah, that's all broken blood vessels.
For the diabetes?
I don't know.
Oh. For the weight?
She don't know.
Don't know.
We don't know. We're not doctors. We're not going to diagnose nothing.
Yeah, my job is cosmetic.
You feel good though?
Yeah, I feel all right.
You know what I'm saying? Not, you know, the fact that you finally is done, you had some signs of doing about it, but you see it's not as bad.
It's pretty bad.
Why? Because you lost the toe? People done walked and hit something and lost the toe.
No, I'm just talking about, I'm not even thinking that it's going to go back white.
She said she'll give you something to put on it twice a day.
Oh,
Yep, you have to put it on it or it won't get better.
you got to put it on like what, after the shower?
You have to put it on twice a day, morning and evening.
And is it good to wear socks all the time?
I would let your feet breathe as much as possible so it's not moisturized, because that fungus needs a warm, dark, moist place to grow.
All the time. To bed.
Well, during, like, if you're at home, I would let them breathe. I would take your socks off walking around the house and stuff.
I wear socks in the house, I wear on the bed. It's always have.
Covers your feet.
Yeah. Well, you know, Grandpa was saying.
Okay, you can bend that and put it back in the water.
Don't turn.
I think that by the time a lot of people come to see me, they're ready to be serious about getting their toenails in good shape, and so they do a really good job of putting on product.
I'm weird because I miss wearing like slides and stuff. Just was so embarrassed for my toe to be seen. So it eliminated a lot of not having my sock on.
Yeah.
Even when I was dating her, I didn't want her to see my feet. So I kept my toes
Curled.
curled.
That's crazy. But I understand.
You might be like, good grief, I don't want to marry him. His foot look crazy.
Well, Aubrey, you're taking it to your pedicure. But I understand everybody have their own quirks and, you know, things that they don't want to share.
But I always liked it. It's like it happened overnight or something. Then I just thought it was my diabetes, and I thought I was just eating right when I see that spear go down it. I said, okay, my nail coming back. I'm all the way off. That's why you can't be self-diagnosing yourself.
Well, I appreciate her doing that.
She's been talking about you for months. And
I was calling, and I said, they're not going to get a message. So someone just said, leave the message. And she called back. But I just knew somebody would just pick it up. I'm like, hello.
I just got tired of watching your videos in the bed. I'm like, I don't want to see that.
It's nice. It's nice to see somebody.
Some guy knows his toenail was.
Oh yeah, his reattached. Did you see the?
I try to avoid your videos.
Ah.
She watch them all the time, and then she like, watch this. I'm like, because I knew my foot looked like that.
Yeah.
So I was like, I don't want to see that. But now I'll watch them.
You over the hump?
I'm gonna get there.
You ever seen an arch that high?
Mine.
Oh yeah, my arches.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll
That's
have
what
to
I talked
compare.
about.
Let's see. People are always saying, show me your feet. I want to see your feet. What kind of feet? Well, my feet are in bad shape right now, but I got just as high of an arch as he does.
Yeah. I'm like, my goodness.
She
When
act
I
like
saw,
I was a dinosaur or something.
So I am always wearing wedges.
I've never seen them.
Well, I can't wear no wedges.
No, you can't.
Yeah, I got a high arch.
And our baby got it too. I'm like,
Oh.
and then he tell me the stories about the dress shoes.
Well, I used to
Oh,
wear it,
yeah.
then it just always hurt.
Yeah,
Yeah, right here on certain
Yeah.
shoes. Like, that was my big thing growing up, the shoes. It would always hurt right there. I didn't think nothing of it, but it was from that arch.
All right, bend that knee.
Okay. Wow.
I'll take that foot.
She brought you back to life.
This one look crazy. I thought this one was better, but that one look crazy.
Did he have ingrown nails?
No,
Mm-mm.
I didn't get them. My daughter gonna get them though, cause her mama used to get them all the time.
But she got, what you say?
Her
Clean?
toenail go up.
Mm.
You know what I'm saying? It
Mhm.
go and all her toes is up. Amaya toenail. If you ever pay attention, her big toe go up. So whenever she get a nail on it, her shoes hurt her feet.
Yeah, she's got to keep that cut really short all the time.
We gotta get her, get used to taking care of her feet early.
Whenever I used to feel like an ingrown toenail, I'd get out the shower and I'd take something to go around that nail bed and
Pull it out.
pull it out. When my foot was soggy, you know, when the nail got softer. And I would just pull it out and I'd clip it with one of them things and and it always works. You can feel them when they just start.
Oh yeah, the pressure.
If you let it go, it's gonna be tender.
Yep. Oh yeah, look at, that's just how my feet go.
Man, she killed me. Your arch is crazy. I'm like,
I'm
that's
not
how I
saying
thought
that.
feet look, cause mine. Or somebody always asks me, "Was your foot swollen?"
Yeah.
I'm like, nah, it ain't swollen.
Bruce always used to tell me, "You've got funny looking feet." I'm like, my feet are pretty. They're not funny looking.
Now you gotta make sure you dry them big toes when you get out the shower. Now. Water won't be sitting in them grooves.
What, that big toe?
Now you gonna let me touch your feet?
I didn't want you touching me. You want to massage you?
You get your massage already. That's for the rest of the month.
But I rub oil you down every day.
That's husbandly duty. Unfortunately. Or is it fortunate?
Nah, you think my feet bad.
Don't you talk about me.
Nah, I haven't had a pedicure in 48 years.
Mm-hmm.
You have.
Yeah.
And we'll see. Let her be the judge of it.